So we were told going into this year that the Z Fold 6 would come out earlier than previous years, and they weren't kidding. I mean, the kind of rumor was it was going to come out around roughly a week or so before previous years, which, would not be surprising by any stretch of the imagination. But no, it's actually going to be coming out on July 10th. While that is around 2 weeks earlier than previous years, and again makes perfect sense if you're Samsung, because this way you get your phone out, you get plenty of time for sales to start kicking off before the hype or build up of the Pixel Fold 2 comes out, or the OnePlus Open 2. So this makes perfect sense. Again, this is also coming out from Forbes.com, and the whole credible source is a Samsung insider who went ahead and posted this. An insider confirms Z Fold 6 launch dates. So, of course, this will be the same launch date as the Z Flip 6. But, based on what we understand, this is not going to be the launch date of the Fan Edition or the Pro model that's coming out later this year. That actually is going to get released right around the time that the Pixel Fold 2 is going to come out. And the reason why that's going to be delayed is because they want to release it at the same time, so that they can directly compete with the Pixel Fold 2. I mean, makes a lot of logical sense. Based on rumors, we know that the Pixel Fold 2 is going to be more powerful than the Z Fold 6. So at the time when the Pixel Fold 2 comes out, people are going to be like, oh, Pixel Fold 2, way better option than the Z Fold 6. And then Samsung's going to hit them with a wham wham and drop a phone that's more powerful than the Z Fold 6. I'm sorry, than the Pixel Fold 2. And that's kind of the whole idea / theory. We won't see a Pro Edition or Fan Edition until probably sometime in August or September. So just keep that in mind. For that other variant, we're not going to see it till later. We know it's coming, but we know it's also not coming until a little bit later down the line, when Samsung can kind of drop the bombshell here and be like, okay, now we have a phone that's just as powerful, because Pixel Fold 2 is no joke. This phone is going to be very, very powerful. As long as they can heat it correctly and not have it overheat like the Pixel Fold 1 did, I think they can really hit this out of the park. But again, they're going to have a lot of obstacles, things in their way to avoid problems. But I have faith that Google can get the job done. But Samsung-wise, it's a little earlier than expected. But I'm excited to get my hands on this device. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.